It is without hesitation that she can take this first step. For theirs is a love that is unparalleled, so giving this part of herself is effortless. The love she has for Ali leaves her breathless, and he loves her more than all the grains of sand on earth. To not give himself to her would hurt. This part of him is essential because she is the other half of his soul. Since the time they were 15 years old and casually gazing at each other in high school hallways. While some would say they had puppy love, they knew this was more than just a passing phase. In her eyes, he saw his future, and in that moment knew that he would give up anything he had just so he wouldn't lose her. And she realized that her heart beat his name every time she was away from him. Love bloomed like a small seed in fertile soil and grew to the beauty they have found in one another. Shirley is his biggest supporter, and Ali is unlike any other, and together the world stands still and marvels at the true joys of a love anointed. She is his rib. Perfection should look like this as they have seen struggles. Yet they built a foundation within one another that can withstand and endure. Their love makes them secure and gives them the added assurance that together with God, they can conquer any challenge that life throws their way. They are each other's best friend. With something so deep within them, there is a harmony of an unspoken quality that sparks like fire when they just gaze into each other's eyes. There is something so beautiful that time couldn't even begin to surmise their journey. A love like this is rare. There is purity within his smile when he sees Shirley, as she offers him the unconditional, non judgmental love he craves. Joy within her step that will last her past the times when she is old and gray since Ali, her friend, lover, life partner will be with her always. And it is evident in the two precious gifts they have given one another. Ali blessed her with a beautiful part of himself, and from that she gave him the earth with their birth, and they continue to pass that on to those two gifts as their father and mother. Nicholas and Christian are secure in the knowledge that they are loved, as they are wrapped in a cocoon of safety, given affirmations and affections of love daily, creating a family unit touched by God's unchanging hand. And it is because of that reason today we stand to watch the joining of a love that bloomed early and fully grew into the happily ever after of Ali and Shirley.